Hello followers, welcome to the Data Analyst YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about Durbin Watson test and how to perform the test while using Rstudio, as well as how to interpret the Durbin Watson test results. These are the objectives for today's session. What is the Durbin Watson test? Durbin Watson is a test for autocorrelation in the residual from a statistical model or regression analysis. These are the hypotheses for Durbin Watson test. No first order autocorrelation as null hypothesis. First order autocorrelation exists as alternative hypothesis. Let's see how to perform Durbin Watson test in Rstudio. This is the interface of Rstudio. Don't be confused by the color. It's usually start with the white background. I have changed the color to my choice. Installing the readxl package is required to export Excel data. You have to add the install package into the Rstudio worksheet, and therefore you have to type the library syntax. Now we are going to import our Excel data. Here is our dataset. We have to install another package named OpenXLS to open the Excel data. You have to add the package using library syntax like previously. Attach your data set by using attach syntax. Type here your dataset name. Install the PLM package for the analysis. Add the PLM package into your worksheet. You have to create a pdata set. This is the way to create a pdata set. These are the syntax to perform the Bruch-Peggin test. First, in here, you have to put your dependent variable. After that, put all of your independent variables. Put the p-data set that you have created. Here's the results of Durbin Watson test. According to the output results, the p-value is 0.1301. The p-value is greater than 0.05. If the p-value is greater than 0.05, we can accept the null hypothesis. Therefore, autocorrelation is there. I hope you got an idea about the Durbin Watson test and how it is applied and how it is interpreted. If you are interested in my videos, please click the subscribe button to watch my other videos, and if you like my video, give me a thumb up. I'll catch you in the next video.